Mr. Myford. All right, it's time to go.
Hello?
Good morning. Please mute your phones while court is in session. While Zoom is in session, the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. There will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm going to do that with starting with the reviews first. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Damon Derek Glimpse, case number V123530022. Mr. Glimpse, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Damon Glimpse.
All right, good morning. Day is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. You paid that. I want to dismiss your case, okay? There's nothing further, Mr. Glimpse. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Appreciate you.
Thank you. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Marvin O'Neill, case number SP180611191. Mr. O'Neill, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Marvin O'Neill. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. I can't dismiss your case because you haven't paid.
You told me I just got out of jail. You told me you would dismiss it if I bring the proof of incarceration. It's right here, sir.
Let me see what you have.
I turn the camera around. Just give me a second.
Now, just hold it up. You had it held on. Go ahead. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. All right, let's see. All right. Well, I'm gonna give you credit this time, even though you didn't give us that jail time. You gave it to Oakland County.
Right after the court, Your Honor, they told me to turn myself in. I wasn't expecting to do any jail time, but the judge told me, listen, I'm gonna give you a break. I just need you to go in the county for these couple months, and we're gonna go ahead and get it over with. And I didn't want to go to jail.
Well, I can give you a break too. I can put you in the county for a couple of months.
No, Your Honor, I'm okay. My back hurting already enough from that, Your Honor. I'm done.
All right, I'm gonna give you 5 days Wayne County Jail, and I'll give you credit for time served.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
This is the City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Rodney Linebarger, case number SP 18441411.
Yes.
For the record, please. Well, he's got an advice away from me. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name,
Okay.
Mr. Linebarger.
Rodney Linebarger.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, he'll be in the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Jamie Lewis, case number SP 1250409, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1408337, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1823899, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182390001. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, did one of the attorneys say that they were here for this litigant?
I did not hear that.
All right, so good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff again. May it please this honorable court, Chair SP 72832 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
To Jamie Lewis, good morning to you. I'll look at the file and see if there's any appointed attorney in there. Mr. Lewis, you have to unmute yourself. State your name, please. Jamie Lewis. Probably for not. Maybe someone is representing him, or maybe Boffman is representing him. Let's pass the matter. Somebody's representing Lopez as well. So for you, I think someone is Lotta. I think someone is representing him as well. Jonathan Lotta?
Yes, sir.
Or is it later?
Later.
Later?
Later, yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Jay.
Let's see, you are JOATHA. Why is it not coming up? Your matter is closed.
Yeah, I just had the same kind of thing going down. I think it was last month, and I was dismissed. And I want to say this is a new case that my cousin has brought up. He's using my identity as when he's getting in trouble.
I don't see your case in here anymore. I don't see anything. You have a case number?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Is he on the docket as a show cause, Your Honor?
Is he on the docket as a show cause?
It says show cause on my parcel. Yeah.
Oh, well, your case is dismissed. Be safe, sir. Best of luck to you. I don't know how it got there. The case is dismissed by party on January 26, 2026. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Oh, you too. Thank you very much. Take care.
All right. Dante Leggett. Leggett.
Leggett, you said it right.
Morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit versus Dante Leggett, case number SP 1470930 SP 1470934 Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Dante Leggett. Good morning, Your Honor, the judge.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leggett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Okay, ma'am, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Lawrence.
Lawrence?
Yes.
Briancia?
Briancia.
Briancia, good morning to you. And what is your name, sir?
Corbin Lee Lawrence, sir.
Mr. Lawrence, are you two
No,
related?
maybe my cousin.
I don't know.
She might be.
Yeah.
She looks like, nah, we ain't related. Yeah, you know.
Might be.
You don't know that, do you?
Yeah, might be, man.
Ms. Lawrence? Nah, maybe he didn't know. Maybe he didn't know.
Don't hang up or answer any calls until they come to the phone.
Is that 586 number? I got it. And your name again, sir?
Corbin Lee Lawrence.
Corwin Lee Lawrence.
Yes, sir.
And good morning to you.
Morning to you, sir.
Your matter is set for trial. We're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer doesn't appear, we'll get you out of here. And Lineberger, you already spoke with an attorney, right? All right, let's go. Step on up, Mr. Lineberger. Yep, step with that microphone there, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lineberger. Mr. Lineberger, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of failure to display.
Mr. Lineberger, what's going on with your license?
I have no identification. I would probably get my birth certificate.
How long is it gonna take you to do that?
They go to Lance, I go down to Lance. I did Friday with Lance. They said I got to set up an appointment.
And you gotta go back. How long is it gonna take you to do it?
I've been out 9 months, you know what I'm saying? And I've been working on trying to get my ID. But then I'm working on crossroads and team buildings.
You want me to give you some time?
They go team builders try to get, and then crossroads try to get. They gave me another ID, which
So you need to get a birth certificate. I'm gonna come back on the March the 12th. I'm gonna give you some time, see what kind of progress you can make. All right, March the 12th. That deal comes every day, right there.
March 12th?
No, the failure to display 240. So that was the deal you worked out with the city. Yeah, you get that deal all day long. If I get a license, I'll dismiss the case.
I ain't gonna get my license.
Why not?
Once I gotta get the birth certificate, I gotta get my state ID, and then I gotta take the test.
Well, if you get the birth certificate, then you don't need a state ID. You can go straight for your license, right?
Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh, I ain't know that.
Yeah, that's what.
I've been gone for like 34 years, Judge.
34 years. Now, when did you get out? When did you get out?
Like 9 months ago.
All right, we're gonna give you some time. You'll figure it out, right? You got people in your corner helping you, right?
Come back in March.
Come back on March the 12th. Come back March the 12th, 8:30. All right, if you wanna zoom in, you can do that. All right, best of luck to you.
Right.
And
Lance probably on this Friday.
all right, get that and get a valid license and we can dismiss the case, all right?
All right.
If you make a substantial step by March the 12th, then we'll figure out something else, all right?
All right.
But then the substantial steps meaning that you've gone to Lansing, you get some dimes and dates, or when you that all that stuff, all right?
All right.
All right, best of luck to you. Welcome home, and we'll see if we can get you on the road legally.
All right. I appreciate it.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, let's go with Gist, Ardell Gist. Are you there? Where's Ardell Gist?
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I need to see you though.
That's
No,
what I'm
you
trying
have
to
a-
figure out. Trying to
Oh,
figure it
give him
out.
the March. Miss Mathis, please.
Okay.
He give you the date. Just have a seat. All right,
Trying to figure this out.
all right. This,
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm trying to figure
hold on,
this
hold
out.
on. This city of Detroit versus Ardell Gist, case number C5505841, SP 1007353, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 101-44361, SP 107-83681, SP 155-84031, SP 979-7771, 18-470-4401, 19-519-1951. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gist.
Ardell Gist.
I'm sending you the prompt to turn the camera on, sir.
Okay.
Very good. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. Day is the date and time, and it's set for what's it set for, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, I don't find Mr. Gist on my docket.
Let's see. Let's see here. He is not supposed to be until March the 3rd, Mr. Gist. March the 3rd at 9 a.m.
I have 3 different court dates.
Let's see what you have. Everything?
All right.
Okay. Okay. You're supposed to be in courtroom. You're supposed to be here March the 3rd. Mark that down. You're supposed to be in. You're supposed to be in Judge Marlena Taylor's courtroom. And Judge Taylor's courtroom is going to be courtroom 438. So you need to log off and join Judge Taylor's courtroom 438 and come back here on March. Okay?
Okay, 438.
Yes, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Brianna Lawrence.
Yeah, give me a minute, ma'am.
Oh, I do apologize.
Okay, give me a minute. All right. What about we'll do Lawrence now. Did you have Brianna Lawrence? Did I print that out? Yes, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Brianna Lawrence, case number SP 9562211. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lawrence.
Brianna Mary Lawrence.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will also call 204001761 into the record as well. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lawrence, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
He has 2 cases on him. There's 1 on the docket, I think. Let's see. Is it good?
It's fine.
All right, don't even go in the breakout room.
She got two.
I didn't look at it right. She's got two cases on the docket. All right, see, the one is not populating. Show you. All right, hold on one second, Ms. Lawrence. I'm gonna get you out of here momentarily. Is she signing advice or ranks?
Yes, it's in the file.
Thank
You-
You don't schedule for court though. I see what you're saying.
You see?
I see you want her name.
Why is it doing that?
Some part wrong. Name seems.
Same.
Oh, no, I see where,
What's wrong with it?
let me see her.
All right, Ms. Lawrence, I'm gonna dismiss your case. Have
Thank you.
You have a valid driver's license. Let me see why it's not coming up though.
I just want to see the spelling. Because one is spelled C and the other is C-I.
I have you in.
Okay, let me see that one next.
All right. We're just trying to get your name correct in the system.
Okay.
You can hang up the phone and come on in.
Okay.
I'm gonna dismiss the cases, providing
Okay.
valid documents, nothing further.
Oh.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay.
You can
Thank
print.
you so much. Thank you.
Sorry. Mr. Barry, who's got Jose Lopez Cruz?
Your Honor, I do. Samuel Ragnan. We're ready
Are
on
you ready
that.
on Lopez Cruz?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Jose Lopez Cruz, case number SP 184-00331, SP 184-00451. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Cruz, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Lopez Cruz, are you there? Or is he still in the breakout room?
I didn't even put him in a Lopez Cruz. Oh, there he is.
All right, good morning to you, sir. State your name again for the record, please.
It's Jose Lopez Cruz.
All right.
Here you go, John.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Ragnan. Did you put your appearance on, did you put your P number on the record?
I did, but it's P23-157, Your Honor.
Very well. What does Mr. Lopez Cruz want to do with these cases?
Your Honor, the prosecutor, Ms. Horner, and I have worked out an agreement. He's accepted that. I'm going to plead guilty to open alcohol on a 6-month delayed sentence to be dismissed after the end of 6 months with no further problem.
I
think that's someone else.
I don't see Lopez Cruz with the, oh, you're Lopez. No. You're Lopez, Carlos Lopez.
Oh, my mistake, Your Honor.
Right. Mr. Barry, can you put your appearance on for Mr. Lopez Cruz if you don't have anyone?
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Cruz. State your full name, sir.
It's Jose Lopez Cruz.
All right. All right, Mr. Lopez Cruz, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
See, Your Honor.
Who's the gentleman that just walked in?
Sheldon Loman, Judge.
Sheldon Loman. Good morning to you, Mr. Loman.
Good morning, sir.
Is that on? He's on that phone there. All right, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Ragnan, versus Lopez Carlos Lopez, case number SP1-835-0171. Appearance for the record, please.
Samuel A. Ragnan, P-23-157 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Carlos Lopez, good morning to you. Lopez, Carlos Lopez, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning to you too. Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Is my understanding you're gonna take a deal here? Is that what you told me? Mr. Shelt Loman, Mr. Loman.
Mr. Loman. I got it.
Yes,
right.
Your Honor.
All right. And you want to take, what's that, pleading to the amended count of passenger?
Yes.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ragnan, what over your other advice or rights in the breakout room at some point during the pendency of this case? Did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 29th, 2025 at around 6:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 24th and Jefferson Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle, sir?
Yeah, I was the passenger.
And did the officer ask you, did you have some, you were the passenger in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the plea, counselor?
The plea is to, honestly, Your Honor, I thought it was to open alcohol, but I don't believe he had open alcohol. It was, I thought, as a, no,
he's charged open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a passenger.
Correct. That's the plea. And also,
so
it's held
as charged?
As charged.
And it's delayed sentence in 6 months?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now your client does understand it's still going to be 2 points on his driver's license, even though the sentence is delayed and could potentially be dismissed in 6 months. Does he understand?
I did not know that.
Yes, even if a delayed sentence on an abstractable offense is not going to affect the abstraction.
Well, then I guess what I'll ask you to set up for trial or another pre-trial if you could. I could try
it'll be what is the purpose of another pre-trial?
Well, my fault. I wasn't aware of the 2 points, and I want to see if I can do something better for the client.
All right, why don't you go back and speak to Ms. Horn now?
Well, okay, I'll be happy to do that.
All right, very well. I'm going to put you in a breakout. You can rejoin breakout room 4. Ms. Horn, are you there? Now, I think she seems to have left. All right, let's pass it. Just go ahead and wait in room 4. We'll pass the matter. Let's go ahead with some retained counsels. Miss Barrett, are you there?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
My client is George Oh, Avita. He's in the waiting room, or he would just told me he
Jorge.
was here.
Okay,
It's set for trial today, Judge.
okay. Have you spoken with him? Have you spoken with him?
Yes, Judge. He should be on. We're going.
I just let him in.
Okay, yes. I just need
All
to
right.
know his room number. He's set for trial, though. I guess we need to know if the police show up.
All right, we'll see. They still have some time.
Okay.
Mr. Hoffman, good morning to you.
Morning,
Who
Your
do you
Honor.
have?
So I'm ready on Jamie Lewis. We're asking for a trial date, bench trial date. I also have Julian Lewis. He reported this morning, Your Honor, and dropped off. If you wouldn't,
Jamie
you could take a bench trial date for Mr. Julian Lewis as well.
All right, let's call Jamie Lewis.
Okay.
Is Jamie and Julian, are they brothers?
No, they are one. Jamie is a female,
Very
and
well.
Julian must be long lost cousins.
Let's go. All right, Miss Lewis, are you there?
There's Jamie.
Yes,
Julian.
good morning.
Jamie Lewis, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamie Renee Lewis, case number SP 1250409, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1408337, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1823899, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 182390001. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Would you, ma'am, give the court your full name?
Jamie Renee Lewis.
Thank you.
Oh, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Is my understanding you want a trial date?
I
Yes.
guess.
Yes,
Yes.
Your Honor, please. My client is willing to waive her right to a jury trial today and ask for a bench trial.
Bench trial is going to be March the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Ms. Lewis. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Okay, I have a question.
Why don't you ask your attorney?
Right.
Okay.
Just call me or text me.
Okay.
Not too soon.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Very well, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Julian Lewis is here.
Yes, sir.
Julian Lewis.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. This is City of Detroit versus Julian Shannon Lewis, case number SP 1815918, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Give your full name to the court, please.
Julian Shannon Lewis.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Today is the date and time. Run a license, please. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Boffman?
Judge, would you set this for a bench trial? There is a genuine and material issue of fact.
I'm going to set it for a trial date on March the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
That's all for me.
Anyone, Mr. Boffman?
No, Your Honor. Have a great day. You and your staff, everybody. Bye.
You as well.
Thank you.
Attorney Kate?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Who's your client?
My client is Michael Grant.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Leon Grant, case number SP 1858871. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Andrew Cates, P78292 for Mr. Grant.
As for Mr. Grant's presence, counselor?
I would like to waive it for this morning, Your Honor.
And you're a retained counsel?
Yes, I am.
And you have the authority to enter into the agreement on his behalf?
I do.
I'll grant the motion to waive his presence. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Officer Brent is here or was here. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room number 4. Officer Brent, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 4, speak with the city attorney, see if you can work it out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, it's not paid. The reinstatement fee is when you miss court, you got a warrant fee. I waived that. That's $50 a piece, would have been 2 times 2. So I gave you a break on the $100. I don't have the authority to waive reinstatement fee. That's the Secretary of State. You pay that downstairs, you got to pay that. So you couldn't have paid that. You had to resolve this first. All right. All right. Any other questions? I'm trying to explain to you. On a misdemeanor case, you can't pay that $95 that you see, $45 or $50. It won't even allow you to pay. You can pay civil infractions, a stoplight ticket, a blocking traffic ticket, or civil infractions. You cannot pay a misdemeanor. You have to come to court first, and it has to be adjudicated. And what you just did right now, I dismissed your cases. So that way, now I waived the warrant fee. Now you can go online and pay that $45 fee. Or you can go downstairs and pay it. So what you paid was maybe a case that you had adjudicated before in the past that you didn't pay. And I see you have some civil infractions that you didn't pay. So you still owe the court money from old cases. All right. Very well. I'm going to make sure you have a very good understanding. All right. All right. Best of luck to you both, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right. All right. So who are we waiting on? Are we waiting on me? All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Lopez Cruz. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of failure to display and the dismissal of the no insurance matter.
Failure to display, so they're dismissing the misdemeanor and still giving them failure to display? It's a disregard and a red signal and a no insurance misdemeanor.
The offer is limited access 1 to 5 for the disregarding of the red signal.
Very well. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
The probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find you responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to 525. When can you pay it, Mr. Lopez Cruz?
Within a month. Like I could Friday put 50 down and then probably within a month. No later.
Why so long?
Which is there a time limit, like 3 weeks?
Always a time limit is due today.
Or like it's 3 weeks fine.
I want to know what's going on. Why you need so long? Are you working, sir?
Yes, I'm working. I just got done paying my mortgage, and then I got the DTE coming up.
All right, I'm going to give you 30 days to pay it.
Thank you.
And you pay it by March the 17th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Lohman, do you have valid registration and insurance? Bring it on up. All right. Gooden, Marcellus Gooden.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor.
He needs to get, we need to print out his registration and insurance. City of Detroit versus Marcellus Gooden, case number SP 1837893, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Over, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gooden.
Marcellus Gooden.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. He owes some civil infractions that are old, 3 of them, Mr. Berry, but they're old. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass them. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, his driver's license is valid.
He also was able to present valid registration, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Leggett, I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanors. You owe 2 civil infractions as well. 175 for expired plate and 126 for no registration. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, and I'll waive the warrant fee.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm all set.
You're all set.
Okay.
Thank you. Denise Green, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus you're supposed to be here a long time ago. This is city of Detroit versus Denise Green, case number SP 17019141, count 2, and SP 77. Are you Denise LaSalle Green?
No, my name is Denise Leslie Green.
Leslie Green, that's probably the problem. All right. Strike that from the record. City of Detroit versus Denise Leslie Green, case number SP 1830469, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1844981. Appearance for the record, please. Trial.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Denise Green.
All right.
We are
Good
just
morning
going to wait,
ma'am.
Your Honor, to see if those officers appear. Thank you.
All right, very well, Ms. Green. I'm going to pass the matter. I'm going to give the officers their half-hour grace period. All right.
Okay.
On the iPhone, I never got the iPhone's name. He's gone now. All right, let's pass that. Charles Griggs, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is this Charles Vincent Griggs?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Charles Griggs, case number 217-20964, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Charles Griggs.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Griggs.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Griggs, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't get the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here, this is Denise Green. When you see the prompt, join the room, and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir.
Off the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gooden. Mr. Gooden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client believes that he has taken care of those old tickets, and we'd like to check, because if he has, then he could get a license.
Well, I see it in the system that they're not taken care of. But I do also see that I don't see anything. These old tickets are not preventing him from getting a license.
Okay.
So you owe the money. No valid registration, 156, improper display of plate, 174, expired plate, 222, but none of those dollars are preventing you from getting a license.
So what we wish to do, Your Honor, is to set the matter for trial and allow him to return with documents.
What you want to do, Mr. Gooden?
But I'm saying, I got a question for you. The last time I was here, I had some tickets. It was like over 10 of them, and some of the officers didn't show up. And then with Officer Nelson, and then you gave me the ability to pay the $480, and it cleared my license. When I went to the Secretary of State, I didn't have any tickets from Detroit besides prior to the 2 I just received.
So here's the deal. You wouldn't have anything, Secretary of State, because again, those tickets didn't affect your ability to get a license, the money that you owe down here. So those tickets didn't abstract to the Secretary of State. So they are not affecting your ability to get a license. They would not know, the Secretary of State would not know that you owe this money.
No, I'm saying the tickets that you had read off, it was like over 10 of them. And once you told me I paid them, it was dismissed. So that's why I'm saying, where is the other tickets coming from? Because the ones that I did pay, that you allowed me to pay at the time when I made a deal, I thought my tickets was cleared, because I ain't never had no letter that said that I have to pay some tickets in the past. I don't even know how much it is.
All right, let me explain to you. These tickets you got back in 2023. I don't know when the last time you came in here, but I'm not going to set aside a default for tickets that you owe from over almost 3 years ago. So whatever you came in here for the last time, we those were misdemeanors, and I might set a default aside as 6 months old or almost a year old, but nothing that's that old. So we didn't incorporate, if you were here last time, we didn't incorporate these tickets in that deal that you took last time. Oh, and I try to explain that to everybody before they leave, but did you just owe the money? Well, that's what they call leaving in your wake. You know how a boat goes across the water and those waves that it lays back in that's what you left.
Yeah. Well, I just want to know the total. That's it.
The total is 552. You may be able to catch an amnesty or something like that. Like I say, these aren't affecting your ability to get a license. You should be able to go to the Secretary of State. Now, you sound like you've already been to the Secretary of State and you still didn't bring back a license. So it sounds like you need to go to another jurisdiction to get your license repaired, because you already just told me that nothing on Secretary of State, they had anything down here for the 36th District Court, correct?
Correct. Besides the tickets that I got now.
No. Well, no. You said that they didn't have any tickets down there for you at the 36th District Court at the Secretary of State, right?
Correct. They only said that I owe Hamtramck for no proof of insurance, and that's what I was trying to do before I came to court today.
And did you do it?
I'm set to pay that tomorrow.
Okay, you pay it. Then after you pay it, go back to the Secretary of State, and they should give you you should hopefully be able to get a valid license.
Yeah, they told me that. They said I just got to pay the reinstatement fee, and I pay the $25 for the license, and I'm back.
Then you're good. So come back on March the 12th. March the 12th. Bring a license and some valid insurance, and you should be good here.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
All right, why don't you come back? When do you go there? Tomorrow? Why don't you come back? Will you have a license by Monday?
I wouldn't know. I mean, if they pay the ticket, once I pay the ticket, I gotta go to Secretary of State and see.
Well, already been there, and they told you that's all you have to do.
Yeah, but you gotta pay $125. I gotta get paid again. I get the
Oh,
ticket
so
that I
you're not
owe
gonna?
them. The ticket that I
I'll give
owe
him
him
another.
is
I'll give him another
$300.
I'll give him another pre-trial date instead of calling officers in. It sounds like he's gonna. He sounds like he's gonna have a valid license pretty soon. Come back on March the 12th, sir. March the 12th for a pre-trial. Bring a valid license and keep that insurance valid. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What time though in the morning? March 12th.
Same time, 8:30.
Okay.
All right. It's the city of Detroit versus Jaden Adam Lyons. Case number SP 128290381. Counts, strike that. SP 1829038, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyons.
Jaden Adam Lyons. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time, and it's set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lyons, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
When you see the prompt, well, did you already have an attorney? No.
No.
All right, here you go. When you see the prompt, join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Can we check Charles Briggs' license, please? Please. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sheldon Andrew Lohman. Case number SP 1842416, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Lohman, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Sheldon Lohman.
All right, day is the date and time, and it's set for a pre-trial. At this time, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lohman, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right. That's it. Good morning. Good morning to you. What's your name?
Documents.
All right. Valid for Griggs, Miss Harris. She's waiting in the breakout room.
No, I'm on probation.
What's your name?
Tion Gloucester.
Gloucester?
Gloucester.
Gloucester. Good morning to you.
Morning, how you doing?
All right. Did you get those over to Miss Sheldon?
Yes, I got to Miss Sheldon. She sent me to Miss Moody. I did the 6 hours with Miss Moody.
Let's see. Spell your first name, please.
T-Y-O-N.
Yeah, I got it. All right. And you only had to do 6 hours, or you did the first 6 hours?
I did. I had 12 hours on together. I had 6 more.
Now, did you do the 6? Did you do the complete 12? Hannah, here, grab the paperwork. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, let's see. City of Detroit, 12 hours. No, 6 is total here.
Yep, that's all the man that left me to do before I got incarcerated. Yes, I had 12 altogether.
All right, I thought we talked about that last time. Where is the other proof of the other 6? Did you give the other proof of the other 6?
No, she only submitted me with paperwork of completion. She didn't remember the dates herself. She couldn't find the dates herself. That's why she made sure she documented her number so you can contact her.
Where did you do the other 6 at?
I did all my hours at the same exact place.
And why didn't she give you 12 then?
Because I only had 6 left and you only recommended me to do 6 left. I guess you've seen it, that it was already 6.
All right, can I get Gloucester's file, please? That was it for Friday? When did you last time you came in?
I zoomed in to talk to you.
On what day was that?
13th.
The 13th. Yes.
Oh, give me the snip, Judge.
All right. Well, here, let me do this. Just don't worry about it. I'm gonna just go ahead. I trust you. All right, here we go. I'm gonna close these out. You're welcome. And thank you for the community service. I know the people over there at Grace Community Methodist Church appreciate it as well.
She made us a service.
All right, that's what
we ate real food and everything.
And you know something? I'm glad you say that because that is really another reason why I like community service, because you got to make relationships.
And then it's crazy because she called her son, like everybody she called son. And at first I didn't understand what she was talking about. I actually thought I was working with one of her sons.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but you her son now.
She said, I said, it's your son, Pop. Because she was asking who Pop is. Like, that's your son, Pop. I said, no, hold on.
Everybody her son. But like I say, you making relationships.
Oh, yeah, she was amazing.
And it's more about not what you know, is who you know in this world.
Communication.
Period.
Because I worked with her on Valentine's Day.
Because I didn't get this job because I was the smartest person in school. Right. I did not get this job like that. All right. Now I'm no dummy, I don't think, but you know what I'm saying? It's not about what you know, it's who you know. So good luck to you, sir. Best of luck to you, ma'am. And I'll close the matter out. So you should be able to go once Miss Mathis puts it in the system, that's affecting that ticket. One of the tickets was affecting your ability to get a valid driver's license.
Okay. So is there anything that I need to take down there to say?
No, it should go into the system. Now, sometimes I'll tell you, sometimes you'll get down there, even Miss Mathis does everything she's supposed to do. And sometimes that no insurance will still come up. If it does come up, you can either call in and we'll send a note down there to the abstract clerk, but it's usually 90% of the time it works. Okay. It'll go through once she closes it out. All right.
All right. So I'll call you if I need you.
Best of luck to you, sir. You know where to find me. Yeah. All right. Have a good day. You as well. Have a better one.
Do you want paperwork?
Do you want paperwork?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me just a second.
All right. Let's go with
Your Honor, if people could get co-host real quick.
I'll do that. Ms. Harris, Mr. Griggs has a valid license.
Thank you. But I was also asking about Ms. Green, if the officers appeared. I do see it's 9:34.
All right. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Denise Leslie Green. Case number SP. Well,
we called him already, Your Honor.
Yeah, Denise Leslie Green. There's two Denise Leslie Greens. We're talking about Denise Leslie Green, case number SP 830-469, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 18449-801. Ms. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Denise Leslie Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris, put your appearance on the record, please.
Jerica Harris on behalf of Ms. Green.
Ms. Green, Ms. Corporal Whitehead, I haven't seen him, and Officer Johnson. They usually come 99.9% of the time, but I guess no officer. I'm going to dismiss the cases, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
It's not about what you know, it's who you know. So Ms. Green might have known somebody because they usually come to the court all the time.
I doubt that. All I know is Jesus. Okay, so if that's what he done, that's what he done.
What's his name?
Here's Gloucester.
Gloucester? All right, Ms. Green, best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Waiting on the Zoom ID.
He is. All right.
That's crazy. I just seen it. I said, boy, you better get in there, guy. He on the thing right now. That's the best luck you gonna run into. You better hurry up.
All right, Mr. Gloucester, best of luck to you.
Ms. Horn, can we hear
Miss
before, please?
Lawrence, Corwin Lawrence. Good morning to you. You need to get out of here too, don't you? Unless you just like sitting watching the show.
I like the show.
Oh, you like the show? Let's see. Let's see. Unfortunately, your officer did appear. So,
Okay.
we'll see if we can get you in the breakout room. Who are we waiting on, Miss Harris?
We have Charles Griggs. I'm just waiting to speak with Ms. Horn. She's speaking with officers right now. I can start someone else.
All right, start with Corwin Lawrence. Yes, let's call it.
Is it just the one matter or are there more?
Just the one matter. City of Detroit versus Corwin Lawrence, case number SP 184-57161. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Corwin Lawrence.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Do you have a phone?
No, sir.
He doesn't have a cell phone, Miss Harris. He did sign an advice of rights. He is in person. What I'm gonna do, Mr. Lawrence, you can have a seat. I'm gonna let Miss Harris work this out for you and run his driver's license. You said you don't have a valid license?
I have a reason for that, sir.
I'll let you talk to Miss Harris about that because what are you able to get one? Are you on track to get one? Okay.
Real bad, yeah.
All right. Well, let's give him, he does have a jury trial coming up, Ms. Harris. So, I don't know if that's
Counsel
gonna happen.
appointed for that jury trial?
That's for another case. I'm sure he does. I don't know if Ms. Horn is gonna have there's gonna be any way sympathetic to him for that, but just talk to Ms. Horn and she's gonna talk to him, see if she can work something out for you.
Thank you.
Bet you what?
I got proof to show I don't have no license.
You don't have to have proof to show that. I can find that out myself.
I'm gonna be around here doing this.
All right, have a seat and then right there is fine. Later.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
My case, Jorge Oviedo, was set for a bench trial. I didn't know if the police had shown up.
Cook did show. He is here.
Okay, well, I've talked to the city attorney.
Miss Hernandez, good morning. Usuario de Zoom. Buenos dias.
Buenos días al señor usuario, por favor. Señor, usted.
Buenos días.
No te le oye. We cannot hear you.
Buenos días.
Good morning. ¿Cuál es tu nombre, señor?
Pedro Pérez López.
Alfredo Pedro.
No, Pedro Pérez López.
Pedro Pérez López, Your Honor.
Is that your client?
No, but it could be.
Necesitas interpreter, yeah, I bet. Necesitas interpreter, buenos dias.
Yes. Sí.
Yes.
All right. I don't see his name on here.
45, Your Honor.
We'll say that again, Mr. Berry.
845.
Oh, Pedro Lopez. Okay. Officer Johnson, he missed the bus. Hand me that file. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to plead to 1 to 5 over for the school zone violation. The other matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Is that limited access 1 to 5?
No, Your Honor. 1
No
to 5.
limited access. All right. I'm gonna find your client responsible as to the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay?
By the end of this week.
All right. Pay it by the beginning of next week, February 26th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Where's Miss Hernandez? I think you have to unmute. I think you're only because of
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez. It's CAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575.
All right, Miss Hernandez, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Pedro Lopez, case number SP 1811356, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Pedro López, número de caso SP 181-135-6, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Señor Berry, por favor, su comparecencia para que conste en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your full name, Mr. Lopez.
Edward Perry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Pedro Pérez López.
Pedro Pérez López.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Señor, su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor. Voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Señor Pérez López, le voy a mandar una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada número 2 cuando vea la invitación en su pantalla.
All right, Mr. Leda, Jonathan Leda, are you there still?
Yes, Your Honor.
How can I help you now?
I just want to double check because this is a new case number than my previous case dismissal.
Give me the new case number, please.
It's U721-65325. And I noticed that my name is
65325. U721-65325.
Yes, sir.
It's not in the system yet.
Okay.
So U721653 is written in your name?
Well, it is. It's my first name is spelled wrong on the parcel.
All right, so give me the spelling. Is the last name spelled right?
Last name's correct. It is JOHNATHAN is what I have on here. So an H in front of the N.
HNATHAN.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have a Jonathan Raymond Lotta for SP 182-58871 in warrant status, birthday 4/20/1990. Show cause, I do. And I have a U72165, very well. All right, so what is your date of birth?
April 23rd, 1990.
All right, it looks like the 4/20/1990 is you as well.
That's what my cousin, he's using as my birthday. In the previous case, I was able to look at the video surveillance from the cop, and that's what birthday he gave them.
Okay. All right, now we'll get an attorney, hold on.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Ragnon.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, on Carlos Lopez, I've talked to the forum. We're going to ask you set that for trial, please.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Lopez. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel, and your client wants a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, trial date is going to be March the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Pleasure to
You're
be in your
welcome.
court. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Pleasure seeing you. All right. Mr. Blake, morning. You had Sanchez.
Yes, I never spoke to the city attorney.
All right, they are in breakout room 4. I'm going to put Sanchez. I'm going to put you in 5. So go to 5 when you need to speak with your client. Okay.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Good morning, Sanchez. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Charles Vincent Vanell Griggs. The case is a dismissal, Ms. Harris.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right.
And I also have an updated offer for Mr. Lawrence.
Mr. Griggs, case is dismissed. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Mr. Lawrence, what is Mr. Lawrence going to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, your case is dismissed per the city attorney. If there's nothing further, you got it dismissed anyway.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
I'll be on the hallway.
All right, very well.
Thank you, thank you, Judge. You're a nice judge.
Thank you. All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Ms. Harris, Mr. Leda is back versus Jonathan Leda, case number SP 182-58871 and U72165-325. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jonathan Raymond Leda.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause and the other cases in warrant status. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. One is the loitering one is the operating illegal that's on the docket and show cause, and then the other one is a loitering ticket. Go to the breakout room. Both of them are not spelled correctly. Spell the correct spelling of your name, Mr. Laird.
JONATHAN.
All right. Join the.
I'm sorry.
No, I just want to say the first name. I think everything else is correct. Go ahead. You can finish spelling your complete name.
Okay. Raymond is RAYMOND. Last name Lada, LADA.
All right. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, sir.
Pass them. Officer Johnson, I dismiss Green. I won't mark the file that I won't mark the file that you weren't here. Okay.
Your Honor, I was in another courtroom, so what did you need me to do?
I dismissed it. On time. I just won't put no officer.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you, because it was just a simple insurance ticket. All you had to do was present valid insurance. Thank you, sir.
I'll just put dismissal. Hand me Denise's Green's file, please. Be safe out there, Officer Robinson. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
Amen. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el señor López, Pérez López. Señor Pérez López le di la oportunidad que hablara con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Su señoría, mi cliente está solicitando un juicio y que se le asigne un abogado por la corte. Y su número de teléfono para comunicarse con él está en el chat.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿es esto lo que usted desea hacer?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a pre-trial date for March the 13th, March the 12th at 8:30.
Señor, su próxima fecha de comparecencia para una consulta previa al juicio es el día 12 de marzo a las 8. ¿Es serio, Your Honor?
At 8:30, yes.
A las 8:30 de la mañana. Señor, por favor, anote 12 de marzo a las 8:30 de la mañana. Ese es un jueves.
12 de marzo.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
Ok.
Con el mismo número de su hoy. Sorry? Your Honor?
That date is set so that the attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Señor, por favor, reciba, tome cualquier llamada que usted no reconozca el número en su teléfono, porque una de esas llamadas podría ser el abogado que le hemos asignado a usted, ¿verdad? Sin embargo, si el abogado no logra comunicarse con usted para ese día usted se conecta igual que hoy y aquí en el momento le conseguimos su abogado. ¿Okay?
Una pregunta, ¿y el abogado me lo van a cobrar?
Perdón.
¿Tengo que pagar por el abogado?
Es un abogado puesto por la corte, señor. Pagado por la corte. Okay, and do I have to pay the appointment? That's an appointed attorney. Okay.
Okay, you don't have to pay. They're going to speak with you, but answer the calls you don't recognize, all right?
No, señor, usted no tiene que pagar por el abogado, pero conteste las llamadas que le hacen por si acaso.
Está bien.
Okay, yeah, that's okay.
Dijo, perdón, disculpe, ¿qué día dijo? ¿De marzo? Marzo.
I'm sorry, what day did you say, March?
March the 13th.
The 13th or the 12th, Your Honor?
March the 12th, March the 12th. March the 12th.
Okay. Okay, el 13, no, el 13 o el 12, no, el 12.
8:30 de la mañana, ¿verdad?
8:30 a.m., right?
Yes.
Ok,
Sí, señor.
ok, gracias.
Okay. Okay,
All right,
thank you
best
very much. Señor, la mejor de la suerte le desea el juez.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you. Same for you.
All right. This
¿Ya
is the
puedo
city of,
abandonar la sala?
Can I leave now?
yes.
Sí, señor. Se puede desconectar, por favor.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jarrell Giddings, case number SP1509903, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1835791, SP1835800, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Giddings.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jorrell D. Giddings.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Giddings, he owes $162 on an old no insurance proof, and he owes $336 on an old no insurance proof. He owes some other civil infractions, 222 expired license, 156 no registration, 222 expired plates on the first one as well. Mr. Giddings, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Perry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right. Okay. Call in. Sir one, good morning to you. Telephone, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Letitia Lowe.
Say that again.
Letitia Lowe. I'm sorry.
Miss Lowe,
Yes.
good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
I don't see you on the docket.
Is this for Miss Monique Sharp?
Say that. No, Monique Sharp is courtroom 434. 360-434-0000 is her Zoom ID.
Oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I grab a pen real quick? I'm sorry.
You may.
Let's got the number. They send you out a paper. Okay, you said it is
360 434-0000.
434-0000.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
Are you ready, Mr. Blake?
I am, Your Honor.
Who's your client again? Sanchez? What is he gonna do?
Lopez-Sanchez is what's going to be a plea, but he informed me that he's a CPL holder, so we can set this for a bench trial.
I'm gonna try to pull him out the room. P. Mooney, good morning to you. P. Mooney.
Hey, how you doing, Perkins, Gloucester?
Gloucester, your brother hooked you up today, didn't he?
Yeah, man.
All right, hold on one second. I'm trying to pull your client out, Mr. Blake. You can maybe want to go in there and get him. He's not following. He's not. Oh, here he is. Here he is. All right, Mr. Oh, he went in there now. Lopez Sanchez, as soon as you went in, he came out. All right, City of Detroit versus Michael Lopez Sanchez, case number SP 184-29361. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Michael Lopez Sanchez.
Mr. Lopez Sanchez, unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Good morning, Michael Anthony Lopez Sanchez.
All right, take your hat off, please. All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Is my understanding your client wants a trial date, Mr. Blake?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date for March the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
I can't do March 12th, Judge.
Well, what date can you do? March the 13th?
I have several trials that week. Can we do like the
March the 17th? You give me a date.
How about the 20th?
The 20th, March the 20th, trial at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you both and have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Are we ready on Grant, Michael Grant? Counsel, are we ready on Michael Grant? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Giddings. Mr. Giddings, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to 1 to 5 over for the careless driving matter and the seatbelt ticket. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 for this careless driving, $125 and 65 as charged for the seatbelt. When can you pay it, sir?
Yeah, I can pay it next Friday.
Make sure it's paid by February the 27th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Jasmine Leona Griggs, case number SP 184-3671, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Griggs.
Jasmine Griggs.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day's date and time set for a show cause, purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I don't have any issue with allowing Ms. Griggs to be heard on expired plate and a prohibited left turn if the city has no objection. Mr. Griggs, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? We'll pass the matter. Are we ready on Grant? Officer Alexis Adams here? He was, State Trooper Alexis Adams was here. All right. Let's see, who else we have? It is hot. Reed is here. Alexis Adams is here. Gamboa, I don't know where Frank Gamboa is. He missed the dismissals. All right, everyone else, the officers are here. Say that.
That Gamboa was mine, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, he hasn't showed. He missed he's missing dismissals.
Okay.
Officer did not appear. We'll wait.
Yes, I can wait.
All right.
Hello, this is Brenda. Hey, Brenda, this is Jamila calling from Perkins. I called last week and I told them to assist us with the heat blade. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Hello, Judge. Can you?
Yes. I hear
I'm
you.
trying to see if I can be heard right now. It's like right now I'm in so much pain because I had surgery on my ankle and this like bothering me. And just walking back and forth. And my foot swollen.
All right.
It's like I'm ready to be in tears right now.
Do you have valid insurance now?
No, I haven't getting insurance. I've been out from work since since my insurance had expired. So it's like I just started a job and then I'm not working anymore.
Give me a minute, please.
Okay.
I'll get you out as soon as I can. Just
Hello,
waiting
Your
on
Honor.
Who's
Hello,
that?
Your Honor. It's Anthony Lackey.
Yeah, I got it. Good morning. I have everyone in line.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
As soon as we get an attorney, we'll get back going. You're welcome. Finally turned it up hot enough for hot. Can you check the mail when you get a chance, Ms. Marcus?
I'll do it.
All right. Jesse Jackson passed away. Wow. You hear about that? No. Last night. How old was he? 84. Wow. Wow.
Judge, can you give me a moment before we go to the next case? Thank you.
Every time I hear his name, I think about that joke that Mike Epps told. He said when they shot Martin Luther King, Jesse Jackson was running like, come on, King, you know they shooting at you.
And then Robert Duvall passed away last year.
Oh, man.
He was 95.
95, a long time. 84 is too.
He was sick a long time. He was in the
Jesse
hospital
Jackson?
since November. Yeah, he went.
I wasn't even aware he was sick like that. He was in hospice.
He went to the hospital in November. Are you ready on Grant?
Yes, I.
All right, let's go back on. Oh, we have to wait. We have to wait. I almost jumped the gun. What's going to be the deal? Did you work something out?
Yes, Your Honor. We worked out that I'd be entering a plea to blockading traffic.
All right. We'll wait on Miss Williams Law to come back.
Okay.
Michael Lacy.
Hey, Judge, how are you? Good to see you. Happy
Morning.
Punchki
Good
Day.
morning. Good morning. Happy Punchki Day to you. Good morning, Counselor. Who's your client?
Aras, it's Aran de Jesus Leon, and he's here with me.
Oh, sentencing.
Sentencing, yes. Sir.
Good morning, Mr. Day. Does he need an interpreter?
No. He's US born, comes in here.
Very well.
You need an interpreter? No. I don't think I saw a pre-sentence report.
I do have it. I just need his email.
We need your email. Mr. Mathis needs your email in the chat.
Okay.
She can see.
Let's see, chat. Okay. Let's see. Who do I send this to? Everybody?
No, you can send it to Miss Mathis.
Let me see that.
Courtroom clerk. It's on there.
It's on there. Okay.
Miss courtroom clerk.
Participants. Let's see. Paul, help me out. I think I need participants, right?
Message. Send him a message.
Oh, okay.
Miss Mathis will send you a message.
Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Now, I'll say it on the record. I'll put it on the record, Mr. Leon. Ms. Harris.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're waiting on Miss Williams Law to come back.
Okay.
Mark the file. He needs an appointed attorney, right?
Yep. And I will note, Your Honor, that previously it was Mr. Ogletree that was his assigned attorney for the other cases.
Yeah, I know, but I think they're gonna go through they gotta go through the thing again, so. Can we put these on the same one, Ms. Mathis? Before I start writing.
Ready as to Ms. Griggs, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm waiting on the court reporter.
Your Honor, I just sent that email address to Ms. Mathis.
Very well, she'll send you the Peace Precinct's report.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I don't know if this is the right time to say it, but when we were last here, it said he had some positive drug screens, so he insisted that he didn't drink. So I sent him to the
Here's the
testing.
deal. Here's the deal. He had.
I'm back, Judge. Just
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant, Mr. Michael Grant, counselor. You've worked out a blocking traffic for your client.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
I do, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter. I mean, they strike that. With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. I'll give your client till March 9th to get that payment in. If there's nothing further, counselor, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leda. Mr. Leda, I've given you an opportunity to counsel, and my understanding you need an appointed attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for a pretrial on March the 12th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. I need you to answer the calls. You know the deal. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir. Sounds good.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Kimberly Ori, case number SP 183-44161. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Ori, please state your name for the record.
Kimberly Sharon Ori.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day's date and time set for a trial. Officer Reed, are you here? Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Officer Reed, badge number 2535. Gonna be Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Day's date and time set for a trial. Ms. Ori, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out first.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Griggs. Ms. Griggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the prohibited left turn and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor. So
Stipulate the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, that stipulation, ma'am, I'm gonna find you responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
He said I have in like 30 days, so I'll try to get it paid in 30 days.
All right, you're gonna have to pay it in 30 days. Pay it by March 17th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
Welcome. This is the state of Michigan versus Alexa J. Gardner, case number SX 4627346, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Alexa Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. There was a Sergeant Adams was here, Mr. Berry. I don't know where he went now. Join the room, Ms. Gardner. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll pass the matter. All right. Jonathan Lightus.
Yeah, I had to run an SOS.
Where is he?
Give me just 1 second.
Okay.
I have to figure out which birthday was correct.
Yeah.
All right. Print. Okay.
Are you ready on your client, Leon? You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Lacy.
Your Honor, I still didn't receive that pre-sentence report. I did send Miss Mathis my email address.
I did send it, so.
Oh, you
She
did?
sent it.
Okay,
Let me check.
mjloffices@att.net, correct?
Hold on, let me see what I got, what I sent. Hold on just 1 second. Here you go. Here you go, Judge. Okay, I sent it to MIJL offices.
Oh.
At
Oh, no.
ATT.
Okay, so it's MJL. There's no I.
So it's okay. So MJ. Okay, let me resend it. So,
Yeah, just look back on the chat, MJL.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
Mhm. MJL offices.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ori. Ms. Ori, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
It's my understanding that she is going to waive her right to trial and enter a plea to improper plates.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yeah.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November 23rd, 2025, around 7:15 p.m., city of Detroit in the area of Woodward and Martin Luther King Boulevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I remember.
Were you operating this 2009 Suburban? I mean, 2009 Subaru, I think.
Yeah.
Is that your car, ma'am?
Yeah. But I didn't understand why they had pulled me over. I was dashing.
Are you contesting? Are you want to contest that? I mean, that's up to you.
No, I can go ahead and set it. I just didn't understand why they had pulled me over, but I'll go ahead and do the fine. I just need time because right now I'm out like with a broken ankle and I can't work right now. I have a plate to screw my ankle.
All right. And at that time, the officer pulled you over. Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yeah.
And you couldn't do so.
My insurance was expired because I tried to show it to him over the phone, but I didn't realize it was expired then. I guess it expired that month.
Okay, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. $240 is gonna be the fine. I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out. Then I'm marking the file, allow payment plan. So do one of two things. Either pay it by March 17th, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, or come down to the courthouse on or before March 17th and get into a payment plan, okay?
Okay, before March 17th. Okay.
Yeah. Come back March 17th and let us know what you've done, all right, ma'am, at 8:25.
Okay, I can do that.
All right,
Yeah,
get-
I do
get
need
well-
a paper because I'm not able
get
to
well-
right now. I'm still on crutches. And
All right, get well
okay.
soon.
All right.
Get well soon, Ms. Ori. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Ryan Colin Gorski, case number SP 1844 946, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184552221. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Yep, unmute yourself, sir. Good morning to you.
I see you on YouTube. Good morning, Your Honor.
State your name for the record. Good morning.
Ryan Colin Gursky.
All right, Mr. Gursky, day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Lacy, are you ready on the sentence?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready. Yes.
All right, let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Aran De Jesus Leon, case number SP 177874451 and Z8098541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Michael J. Lacy, P 49777, on behalf of the defendant who is seated to my right.
Good morning to you, Mr. Leon. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Aaron Leon.
Leon. All right. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for sentencing. I have given you an opportunity to review the pre-sentence report with your client. Anything that needs to be corrected or addressed, Mr. Counselor?
No corrections, Your Honor, but I would like to bring something to the court's attention. The last time we were here, it was brought up that he had some positive positive alcohol tests. However, he insisted to me that he didn't drink, and I said, well, if that's true, you need to go to the place, get the reports, and bring them to me, which he did. And I have.
Let me stop you. I'm
sorry.
reading the probation department, and it's the court deems it to be positive because on November the 14th, he failed to report. On December the 27th, he failed to report. On January 2nd, he failed to report. And I told him a failed to report is going to be considered a positive. And it just so happens that those failure to reports are right around the days where people are celebrating heavily with Christmas being the 25th and New Year's being the 1st. And then close to Thanksgiving time on November the 14th. So what I'm going to do is I've got it in the file noted that you missed or failed to report. We're going to move forward from this point on, but keep in mind, if you don't test, this is your one chance. If you don't test and you fail to report, I'm not accepting any excuses, okay?
Your Honor, I stand corrected because I apologize. I thought that I had it in my mind that there was some positive, but there weren't. There's just those 3 misses exactly when you said, and 2 of them are like next to the holiday. So yes, that is correct. So I did explain that to him the last time. But yeah, there were 3 failures, and that's the same thing as a positive. Aaron, did you hear what the judge just said?
Yes, I did.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
They're not playing games. This is serious stuff. Any more misses, it won't be good. Did I say that about right, Judge?
Very well. I think he understands. I hope he understands. If he doesn't understand, then we'll try to make him understand. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, but.
I mean, I have a lot of receipts left in my receipt book if he needs to hire me for a probation violation, but I don't recommend it.
Don't either. All right, so anything you want to address before the court imposes sentence?
Well, Your Honor, what I can say is that this was a really stupid thing for him to do, and I spent time with him and his dad explaining this, that and nothing about this case is good. And this is not a good way for him to start his criminal career, but hopefully it's a good way for him to end his criminal career. And that every year over 50,000 people are killed by drunk drivers. And I've already had a case where someone did that, and more than one, in fact. And, you know, those people ended up in prison. One got deported. And so there's absolutely no reason, especially in this day and age with Ubers and rideshare and all this, there's no reason to drive drunk, period. So, Your Honor, I'm hoping that the probationary period will do the trick and the classes will help him to understand that he can't do this. It's that simple. And so I'm asking the court to give him those 12 months of probation and the classes that are recommended. And thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anything you want to say on your behalf? You don't have to, sir. If you want to leave it at that.
I just want to say I'm sorry, Your Honor. This won't happen again.
All right, well, time will tell on that last part. I do believe you're remorseful and you're sorry, but not happening again, time will tell.
Your Honor, famous last words. Famous last words. It'll never happen again. I'm sure you've heard it before.
You're here, and sometimes it's correct, and hopefully it's correct in this case, and sometimes it's not. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sentence you to 6 months probation. It would have been 3 had you not missed those dates. I'm going to say you shall not use, possess, or any illicit controlled substances, alcohol, or alcohol. Submit to random drug testing twice per month. Complete alcohol highway safety level 1. Complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victims Impact Panel. Complete a driver's improvement program and pay $35 per month probation. I would pay that on a per month basis. So we're not refunding you any money. Pay $100 assessment fee, a $240 fine, pay $35. I said that $35 per month probation, $15 for the urinalysis, and pay that as you go as well. It's going to be this other statutory costs that are going to be in the judgment of sentence, sir. And if you have any issue with those are state mandated costs. So if you have any issue with those, then speak to your lawyer about that. I'll review this in 3 months. I need a 6-month date too. I'll review this on May the 18th, 2026. We can see how you're progressing. If you're doing well, then we'll consider that your time be cut a little shorter, but we'll see. All right.
Will that be at 10 a.m., Your Honor?
That'll be at 8:25.
8:25.
And the 6-month date is 8/17/2026. Both the dates review at 8:25. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck, and you'll go and return back to probation. Then Well, probation should contact you. All right. Anything further?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much. And Your Honor, I watched a lot of your cases last time, fewer this time because you called me very soon. And I just want to thank you because I see you really do care about the people that come in front of you. And I appreciate that. And you're doing a great job. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it as well, those words. I thank you, counsel.
Have a good day, Judge. Take care.
All right. Fine, Mr. Leon, best of luck. Leon, best of luck to you.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you.
Wow. All right, we're ready on who?
Can we check the status of the license of Mr. Gursky?
And we're ready as to Ms. Gardner.
All right, can we run the license? All right, let's go back on the record for Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the improper license charge and limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the limited access 272.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days? The misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
By taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
It's up there, should it? Let me draw your attention back to November the 29th, 2025 at around 4:02 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of I-94 and Livernois. Do you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the trooper ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a valid driver's license.
Were you in a super hurry to get home, ma'am?
No.
No?
I'm not from out there. I didn't know what the speed limit was.
No, that's not a good reason. You took driver's training. Did you take driver's training? Have you ever had a valid license?
No.
That's why you didn't. That's why you didn't know what the speed limit is, because the driver's training tells you, I guess it varies in different locations in the city of Detroit. On I-94, the speed limit is 55.
I didn't know that.
That's why you need to take driver's training before you get behind the wheel of a car. Read the signs. Were you speeding?
Yes.
You don't know whether you were speeding or not because you didn't know what the speed limit is. You're just driving, huh? Right, Ms. Gardner?
Yes.
How fast were you going? Don't know that either. Do you know if you were going faster than 55?
Yeah, I was going around like 70 something.
Well, they say 83.
I don't recall, but okay.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Why don't you have a license?
I never, like, my parents never like taught me or nothing like that. I didn't really have the money growing up to even look into getting licensed. And then when I took the road test, I passed that. Went to go do the written test. I passed that. When I did the road test, I couldn't use none of my family's cars to do it. So I never was able to get a valid license.
And what about now?
I just don't have the funds and I'm struggling. So I just haven't been able to get a license.
Do you have any kids?
No.
So you do you work?
I was off work due to a accident I was in, and now I'm just now getting cleared to work. So I'm trying to find a job, but I've been struggling. Nowhere's been hiring me.
Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna fine you for the speeding. I'm gonna fine you $240 for the allowing. I will dismiss that upon payment.
Thank you.
I don't know how this is gonna affect her ability to get a license when she's ready to do so, though, Mr. Berry, with that abstraction on there. Do you plan on getting a license, don't you, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
I know she was going pretty fast. Maybe Miss Horn will allow her to take a driving course to get that down a little further so it won't impact her ability to get a license.
Shall I inquire, Your Honor?
You may. Let's pass it. Mr. Berry's gonna do a little more work on this, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gursky. Miss Harris, he does have a valid driver's license.
I'm just waiting on a response from Ms. Horn to see if there's an updated offer.
Okay.
I did speak with Paris Gloucester,
I see.
and I can start someone else if the court would like.
Let's do Demario Latham. This is the city of Detroit versus Demario and Anthony Lee Latham. Case number SP 107-73091, SP 107-81171, SP 13135-761. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Latham, please state your name for the record.
That's Demario Anton Lee Latham.
Anton, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir. There's date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Latham, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room when you see the prompt. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Oh, I'm sorry. I put in 5. All right. Can we check with Mr. Phillips to see if she did community service, please? I can check. I can text him.
You don't know?
I'll text. You gonna go? All right. Any response from Ms. Horn?
Just no response, Your Honor. She is not prepared to alter her offer, or it does not see how the training would impact her situation.
She does not see how.
Yeah.
She does not see how the training would impact her situation.
Her license status.
All right. Well, the offer is going to stand. They're not willing to do anything. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. So, Ms. Gardner, I found you guilty of allowing $240 fine. I'll find you responsible for limited access 1 to 5. I'm only going to fine you for the $240. I won't fine you for the limited access. I'm going to have you back on March the 17th at 8:30. You pay this at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. I'm gonna mark the file, allow payment plan, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Come back March 17th, and if you get into that payment plan, then you'll be done with me, or if you pay it, you'll be done with me, okay?
Thank you so much.
I wish you the best of luck. Get well soon, and hope you get back to work soon, okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
Slow down. Well, don't drive until you get a
Yeah,
license.
no. Yeah, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Have a good day.
He was at the doctor's office. And he said he-
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Anthony Spencer Lamont Lackey, case number, and the state of Michigan. This is the state of Michigan versus Anthony Spencer Lamont Lackey, case number SX4635759, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lackey.
Hi, my name is Anthony Lackey.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Lackey an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lackey, if you don't like the offer, he's going to attempt to. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Latham. Mr. Latham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is my understanding you want a bench trial?
Yes.
That is correct. We're also asking for permission to pay any reinstatement fees up front.
I don't see any reinstatement fees. He just owes old fees that he never paid. He owes $294 on an old no-ops, $354 on an old no-ops, $354 on an old no-ops, $258 on an accident ticket. Old, all of them old. I'm gonna set you a trial date, Mr. Latham, for March the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, have a great one. This is the city of Detroit versus Paris Chris Gloucester, case number SP131195571. SP1847290, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1847291. State of Michigan versus Paris Chris Gloucester, case number SX4388498, counts 1 and counts 2, and 217325181. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing, Paris Gloucester?
You can't talk to me without turning your camera on, Mr. Gloucester.
Oh, sorry.
Good morning to you. Go ahead, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gloucester, Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date. We're asking for that date to at least be 3 weeks out so that he's able to visit the Secretary of State and potentially we're asking permission to pay any reinstatement fees up front.
Well, you can tell that's his brother, I'll tell you that. 8:30. So he owes 288 on one. He's gonna have to pay it, the 288.
I did discuss that with him, and that's why he would need that extended amount of time.
You understand you have to pay the 288, sir?
Yes, sir.
You'll have that paid? How long can you have that paid?
Approximately 3 weeks.
3 weeks on 288?
Yeah.
All right, what is today is that's what's today?
That'll be like the 10th. March 10th.
All right, come back on the 12th of March. Pay it, and as soon as you pay it, go to the Secretary of State and see if you get a license. All right.
All right. Thank you.
We'll give you a pretrial March the 12th. Okay. Oh my.
All right.
All right.
Thanks.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
I guess that's Miss
Your Honor,
Hernandez. I guess that's it. Yes, Miss Harris.
I do have a question about the previous gentleman, Mr. Latham.
Yes.
On one of his tickets, it does show that a reinstatement fee generated or something like that. Is that not
Yeah,
the
but
case?
the only reinstatement fees have any bearing are the ones with the no insurance proofs.
Okay.
Yeah, all those other reinstatement fees, it may be a reinstatement fee if you have something like a what is the other case? But mostly the no insurance civil infractions are the only ones.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Your Honor. I will
All
be
right,
leaving
guess he's not gonna show up.
Okay, perfect. No problem. If you need me, just let co-reporting service know. I'll be here.
Okay.
See you
I'll
tomorrow.
see you tomorrow.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Bye-bye, everybody. Nice to see you today. Bye.
Bye, Ms. Hernandez.
Ciao.
It is already, right? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lackey. Mr. Lackey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. I'm placing his number in the chat.
All right. All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you, Mr. Lackey. And that date is set so that make sure that you hear from that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on the next court date of March the 12th, 2026 at 8:30, okay?
Okay, sir.
I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Again, if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lackey. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Can we get Miss Horn back here? Gamboa is here. Call Miss Hernandez. Let me see.
Jackson.
Mhm.
Um, can I go back in with the prosecutor? I was waiting for her.
This is the city of Detroit versus Frank Anthony Gamboa. Case number SP 176-12861, SP 182-7941, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 182-79421. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Gamboa, de Frank Anthony Gamboa, de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Anthony Gamboa, número de caso SP 176-12-861, SP 182-794, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP 183-22-179. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí, aquí está.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gamboa.
Mi nombre es Anthony Berry Jr. y estoy representando al acusado. Señor Gamboa, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Sí, Frank Anthony Gamboa.
Yes, Frank Anthony Gamboa.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial, and at this time, I'm going to dismiss the cases. No officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you.
Señor, hoy es el día y la hora agendado para su juicio. No, en vista de que no se presentó ningún oficial de policía, sus cargos quedan desestimados. Ya se puede retirar. Eso es todo por el día de hoy.
Gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Okay.
All right. There you go, Ms. Hernandez. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Yes,
Bye-bye.
thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. I'm going to take a recess.
Court is in recess.
Call me when they get back together, please. It's hot up in here.
It's like I have had my phone blocked. And these people still coming in. I got a do not disturb sign and they still come. Damn. Hello. It's like, wow.
Traffic first floor.
Hey, this is Jamira from 4535. How can I help
Okay. Can I give you a case number, please?
you? Yes.
Are you ready? It is V 14354025. The defendant is here at the window. He is prepared to pay the 240. Do you want me to go ahead and accept it or get him rescheduled for court?
Yeah. You can accept it, but you're gonna have to call me back because in the notes it said dismissed upon payment. And sometimes you
Okay.
guys close them out moving fast. So once
No,
you-
ma'am, I will not.
Now, I'm not saying you per se, but you know,
Okay,
you see
yes, so
stuff
I'm
that
saying
I
I
do.
won't do that. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you see stuff that I do, I see stuff that you guys do, not
Yes,
you
ma'am.
personally. So just give
Okay.
me a ring once he pays it and I'll go ahead and dismiss it, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and process the payment and I'll call you right back.
Okay, you gonna take the warrant off?
Yes, I
Okay.
mean, or should.
It doesn't matter, I don't,
Remove
it's
it out
no
of-
big
okay,
deal,
I
it
didn't-
doesn't matter, go ahead.
Okay, okay, thank you.
You're welcome, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hello?
Stuff like this. Stuff. Hey, so
How many we got left? What, 4?
he just said call him when everybody's ready. Anybody ready?
I need Melina Beard's person's ticket. What's his name? Oliveto, something like that.
You said Oliveto?
Yes, he's the last person at trial.
Oliveto judge must have Oliveto.
Yeah, Oliveto.
You need Oliveto file judge.
Yeah, let's go. All right. I gotta watch some video with the officer on this one, but let me see. I don't think.
Gursky, or are we gonna do Gursky?
I think we did talk about this. Approach your honor, thank you so much.
Did you talk to Ms. Harris about Gursky?
I believe we did, because the name sounds familiar.
He's got a valid license, is 11 to 15 over, no valid insurance, and no proof of insurance and no valid registration.
Okay, so I think.
Ms. Harris wanted to speak to you about it.
Okay, did she text me? That might be, that sounds familiar.
Ms. Harris, Ms. Horn is in the court.
And he's got a valid
Ms. Horn?
license? Okay,
Yes.
yep, he
Yes.
did. Oh, you want me to review the driving record? That's what it was.
Yep, I sent you a message.
I remember.
Can you
Yep.
print his driving record?
Okay,
out, please?
thank you.
He printed, I think, because it's already here now.
Yep.
He's restricted. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, Ms. Harris. I won't jam them up. We can go with the blockading. Thank you.
Okay, not the dismissal, thank you.
Yep, and he's got it restricted, so I let him kind of,
Okay, thank you. Let me go
Okay.
and tell him that and bring him out. Thank you.
Thank you. That's what it was. I almost forgot.
Run down to the bathroom. Need anything?
I don't need any.
You don't need me. Okay.
Go back on the record for Mr. Gursky. Mr. Gursky, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility pursuant to the recommendation.
Of blocking traffic. You want to take the deal, Mr. Gursky?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals. We respectfully requesting time to pay that balance.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, and dismissing the other prior $175. When can you pay it?
I get paid Friday. I really need to put it into a payment plan if possible. I could pay it within 2 checks, within a month. I get paid every 2 weeks.
Pay it by March the 17th. Yeah, you can come down anytime on a civil infraction and get into a payment plan. You don't need my permission to do that. Pay it by March 17th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Horn, go into, all right, I'm gonna put you out. Ms. Horn, go to speak to Ms. Barrett. She's in 4.
And whenever their court's available, just co-host, I'm gonna go in and speak with Officer Cook. Okay, thank you, Judge. Officer Cook, I'm gonna move you to, if you could join room 1, Officer Cook.
Yeah, it's no problem.
Okay.
Okay, Judge, I'm ready on.
Have you spoken?
Yes, I had to talk to the prosecutor. That's what I was working on with her.
Let's call it. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jorge Alito Buzam. Case number 257-214-731. Appearance for the record, please.
Melita Baird on behalf of Jorge Oviedo. I think the city prosecutor was coming in on this too. Oh, she.
All right. Mr. Alavido Buzam, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Jorge Oviedo Buzón.
All right, Mr. Buzam, I'm going to Officer Cook, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Cook.
No, I'm sorry. State your name, badge number, department for the record. Good morning to you.
Sorry. Good morning to you, also, Your Honor. My name is David Cook.
Detroit Police?
Yes, sir.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Horn, good morning. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Officer Cook, would you please state your name and badge number for the record if you haven't already?
Yes. All right. Let's go. What's going to be the resolution, if any?
The people are going to move for dismissal today, with it being noted that this matter will be reissued, Your Honor. There are several officers that I was not aware of. I could tell from the video cam there are about 4 or 5 other officers that I would like to move forward with if we're going to go for a full trial, and I think today would be premature for that for the people.
Okay, case dismissed, Mr. Buzam. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor.
thank you.
Okay,
Thank
you,
you.
Officer
Have a
Cook.
good day. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Can you stipulate to the dismissal?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
I can leave the meeting.
Pardon me?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for looking out, Judge. I appreciate that.
All right, bye-bye. All right, be safe, Officer Cook. Be safe, Mr. Buzam, Ms. Barrett.